Hi, welcome to this playlist on Enterprise Manager. A brief history about Oracle's Enterprise Manager. In the world of 8i and 9i databases, we used to have a Java-based thick client with which you could manage databases. Enterprise Manager has evolved a lot from those days to what it is today. It's gone through upgrades into 10G, 11G, 12C, and the current 13C. I'll be focusing my videos on 13C release 2. From 10G onwards, there has been a middle tier architecture where there is an application server in the middle, then agents on the targets, and a browser or command-based interface for the administrators to interact. Starting 12C, there has been a change in the UI. 10G and 11G looked more or less the same. But more than the UI, there is a complete architectural change in the way you deploy Enterprise Manager starting 12C. In 13C, the same continues, but you have cloud management, hybrid cloud management also that is included, and a lot more features. Starting 12C, what happened is there is a decoupled agent wherein you have a core agent and then you can deploy additional plugins. We will go through all these in the forthcoming videos. The first thing we will look at is the overall architecture of Enterprise Manager. Today, when you set up an Enterprise Manager environment, you basically have three components. One is the OMR, the Oracle Management Repository, which is basically an Oracle database with the sysmin schema removed from what comes in the default database installation, and you create a special sysmin schema as part of the Enterprise Manager installation. So first you have your OMR, Oracle Management Repository, created, and then you set up the Enterprise Manager Cloud Control software, in which when you do the installation, it creates the sysmin schema in the OMR. And what is this OMS made up of? Oracle Management Service. It's basically a WebLogic server with the Enterprise Manager application deployed in it. Further, we have targets. Targets can be categorized as two types. One is host targets, and then manage targets of the software or application or the platform that you want to manage. Host targets are basically operating systems where you deploy something called as an agent, or OMA, Oracle Management Agent. Having deployed the agent in a host, then that host is manageable by Enterprise Manager, and then inside that host, you might have, for example, Oracle Database, WebLogic, Siebel, eBusiness Suite, anything installed, and you can manage those targets. In this series of videos, I will cover how do you manage databases and how you use Enterprise Manager to work with it. I will also bring about how do you manage Golden Gate targets. Typically, how you deploy a target and work with it is specific to the product that you want to manage. For example, if you want to manage eBusiness Suite, you might want to look into the eBusiness documentation as to how do you manage that. In this series, we will look at primarily the Oracle database and also Golden Gate. And as and when I get into a new topic, I will surely explain about that also. Enjoy learning.